Hey guys, it's Francesca. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Please hit subscribe. Today's going to be a really exciting video because I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing from Drunk Elephant. It's one of my favorite brands, and originally I wasn't going to do an unboxing video, but after doing research I realized that there are a lot of Drunk Elephant enthusiasts like myself, and when I got the box it was like so heavy that I was like, okay, I should probably unbox this for the first time with you guys so you can share in the excitement. Also, I know I'm probably going to get some questions about how I got the attention of Drunk Elephant or how you get the attention of some of your favorite brands. So I just wanted to share a tip that if you are an aspiring content creator, if you're already a content creator, the way that I did it was to just genuinely share their products, show love, talk about the products, and when a brand sees that you're a genuine fan, they usually want to return the love. So, and that's really what I would advise. Like, I would not suggest cold DMing brands or anything like that. Like, I think it's best to show genuine interest. So let's get into the video. All right, you guys ready? I'm so excited. Honestly, it feels like Christmas. Okay, an elephant walks into a bar. That's cute. Oh, right, because this is Drunk Elephant. Get it? Yeah, okay. Anyway, so, okay. It's got this cute packaging. I love the colors, very on brand. Ah, it's like so pretty. Ah! Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me just hurry up and show you guys. That's so annoying. I mean, I was dreaming of getting full-size products, but you just really never know. Wow, that explains why it was so heavy. So I've got this super cute travel bag, and it's full of delicious Drunk Elephant products. Okay, I'm gonna open it and I will show you guys one by one. But first, there's something else in here. Let's see. We remain steadfast in our belief that skin is skin, and the very best way that we have found to take care of it, regardless of the issue, is to hashtag take a clean break by eliminating the suspicious 6 from your routine. Think of the clean break as an ingredient elimination diet for your skin. So I'm gonna finish reading this, but that's one thing I really love about Drunk Elephant. It's what attracted me to their products in the first place, is that they're very skin first, and like I said, it's a clean brand, and clean means it's not toxic, you're not gonna find irritants or things like that, and I have very sensitive skin. So there's that. And then, oh, it's more about the founder and things like that. So, and I think this is pretty much a description of like all the products. For those of you who are curious what kind of things come in a box like this, aside from the product itself. All right, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this. Okay, so here are the products. I'm just gonna go through them one by one. So we have the Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream to firm and brighten. This is perfect, especially in times when I'm stressed. The older I get, the more I see it in my eyes if I don't have a good night's sleep or if something's just going on in my life. So I'm excited to try this. We have A Passioni Retinol Cream, and it's to reboot and smooth, and it comes with Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum sample. Gosh. Oh, yay! Okay, so this is the cleanser. It's Best, or maybe it's Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser. I love this cleanser. It really gets my skin clean, clear, and smooth without that tighten, like, feeling like your skin is just dry after like a lot of cleansers do. So I can already recommend this, but I will be happy to do a separate review. All right, let's see what else. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Oh, here's the full size. Okay, this is the Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum to quench and illuminate. Can't have dry skin. Ooh, okay. I got the C Firm a Day Serum. It's to firm and brighten. I believe this is the vitamin C. Yep, this is the vitamin C serum. And I've heard so much about it. I actually have not tried vitamin C yet because I've heard so many mixed reviews about what it does to your skin or what it's for, or if you can use it during the day or not, and things like that. So I am so excited to have my first one be with Drunk Elephant. And then we have the Umbra Sheer Physical Day Defense. Oh, okay. Can't have good skin if you don't wear sunscreen. So this is excellent. And it's 100% free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrance. Wow, can't wait to try this once we're allowed to go outside. And then we have the TLC Fram Boost Glycolic Night Serum to refine and retexturize. This is a lot of product, wow. But trust me, I will try all of it. Ooh, I wanted to try this too. Okay, so this is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I love oils for my hair, for the rest of my body, for my face. And when it comes to the skin, I have to be extra careful because I don't want to clog my pores. It gives me acne, but I've heard such great things about this oil, and I have a different Marula that I use in my hair, so I can't wait to try this. And it's 100% unrefined, so that's awesome. We're almost there. And then I have the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. I have tried this one, so I can also recommend it. It's a light moisturizer, or at least on my skin. My skin tends to be dry, so it absorbs really well, and it just makes the skin so smooth. Okay, so there's that. Ooh, baby facial. I have wanted to try this. And okay, so this is the TLC Sakaki Baby Facial, a Best of Beauty Award winner from Allure. I've heard so much about this one, and I can't wait to try it. Yay! And last but not least, there's F-Bomb. This is the other one that I've already tried. It's an Electrolyte water facial, and it's basically an overnight mask, and it just makes your skin so smooth. And I know this is a lot of different products, but Drunk Elephant products are either meant to be mixed together, or they basically play well with each other, and they can apply for different needs. At least that's the impression that I have. Woo! Y'all, this is so exciting. I'm just so excited. Anyway. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.